Hey guys, this is Safian. I go by Safian on Twitter. That's my actual name. And yeah, there's a whole story behind that. But I just wanted to share with you a quick video of my experience with a Buttonwillow last week in my Tesla Performance Model 3 with track mode on. So this was a totally different experience. I've only been out on the track a couple times in a car. Otherwise, I've been out a lot of times on my motorcycle. But this was, I'd say, way more fun than any motorcycle ride that I've ever been on the track, and that's saying a lot because I love riding bikes. So yeah, this car is just an incredible vehicle. I mean, it's a work of art, performance engineering, and just to experience that cutting edge of track mode was like nothing else that I've ever experienced. So I took a guy out with me, had an instructor because I wanted to hear his point of view. That's Kalon. And you'll see some links to his information in the details here in the comments. Anyway, yeah, Kalon actually has a performance Model S. He has a P85 Plus, so it has a rear-wheel drive, and he's he's very experienced. He knows how to drift and all sorts of cool stuff. And so getting his feedback on the track was like, yeah, amazing. So I don't want to take up any more of your time. I just want to go straight to the video, but say a big shout out to my wife, Shelly. Vegan Shelly on Twitter for actually helping me watch our son all day while I was there on track. It was basically my birthday present, so big thank you to her, and big shout out to Tesla Santa Barbara, Ignacio. I really wanted him to come with me, but these guys are incredible. If you're going to get a Tesla, I hope you guys can get one from there and use my referral code, which is my name followed by 7500, so Safian 7500, which is the amount of money you would get back from your tax rebate, federal tax rebate, if you're able to pick up an inventory model before the end of the year. So, or yeah, if you place an order, you might get lucky and they have something already made up for you. So yeah, anyway, I look forward to reading you guys' comments, and please enjoy the video. Thank you. Go for it, go. Shit. Alright, great. Oh, it's nice to have more power. I had half a battery with my first session.
Oh yeah, you can feel it, huh?
Oh yeah. So this line through here, where's the entry?
Tight. You want to get a little wider, then come out, and then just roll this out to the edge.
Okay.
All the way over, just stay on full throttle, basically, through that exit. Get your braking on. Turn in late. Tight right here. Good. Stay right side. Up the hill. Now straight up the hill. Right side. That's at apex. Out to the edge. Smooth weight. Now turn in. Edge to edge. Throttle right there. Stay wide, turn in, cross here, rumble strip, come out over, get the car turned over, rumble strip, out to the edge, little bit of brake right here, and turn over, throttle. All the way, go, go, go. Yeah. Stay tight right here, that's your rumble strip, out to the edge. Now back off a little, not too much braking, let it kind of come off now, tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, tighten up, okay. Gas, 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 gas. Or throttle, I should say, or accelerator. Up the hill to the left side, braking hard, wait, now turn over, and
whoa,
gas,
yeah,
gas,
that was
gas.
great.
There you go.
Wow.
That's it.
That was totally different than how I did it before.
Side to side here. Braking done. Some free regeneration. Wide here, good, wait, now turn. And gas, gas, gas.
Oh shit, I got way more power than I had earlier today.
Awesome. All the way out. You can wait to brake later and then get harder on the brakes and then get off the brakes.
Okay. Good.
Back up, good, good, good. start wider, go tighter, and then just roll through throttle. Roll, throttle, throttle, throttle. Keep going all the way out. Don't bite the car. Use the track. Good.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, good. Turn it over. Good. Okay, now right wheel next to the cone. Out to the edge.
Oops.
There you go. You got it. Wait. Turn it over. Tight.
Oh yeah, that felt
good.
good. Okay, that felt way better.
That's it.
Because I waited.
And tight. Stay on. Come around. Swing it over. Good. Out to the edge. And a little braking. Turn it over. Throttle. There you go. You got it. Stay tight here.
Okay.
You can roll it out. Good. Now, don't brake. Just let off the throttle.
Oh shit, that's scary.
Alright, you got it. Tighten it, tighten
Okay,
it, tighten it,
tighten
tighten it, tighten it. That's your point right there. Apex. Gas, gas, gas. Good track. Good. Now, spin around smooth. Oh, shit. Good. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. You got it.
Okay, brake. That was awesome.
You're getting it. That was good. That was much
Thank
better.
you.
Roll back on.
Alright.
Let's give it a second. Give it
I'll
a
just
second.
wait till these guys. Thank you. I hope I didn't freak you out. I freaked myself.
I'm fine.
That felt awesome though. I went so much faster than through there. So good now?
Carried it through. You just gotta get
Whoa.
Cool. We're good. So we'll pull off this time. We'll talk to him. It's all good. I'll let him know I was pushing you.
Okay.
But
thanks.
that's what you get the feel now. You can bring everything up.
Uh-huh.
When you come to that corner, you can't lift off. You got it. You went a little hotter.
Okay.
Which is cool. But if you lift off, because you're going, oh, I'm not sure, the car's going to come around. And I haven't driven this, so I don't know how it feels, but I can.